Today I'm going to show you how to do this title block. This is a rough copy of it, but I'm going to walk through the proper way to do this title block. So the first thing you need to do is just get a sheet of paper. Regular printer paper is fine. And what I would recommend is that you actually tape the paper down in the corners, just on the edges of the corners like that. And what you can do is tape them down. And try to make it as square as you can. There we go. So we have our sheet of paper. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to make a border 1/2 inch from the edge of the paper in. And we're just going to do, using this, your architect scale, you're going to find a 1/2 inch. And you're just going to simply hold this part to the edge of the paper and mark the paper a 1/2 inch in. So for instance, and because we don't have T-squares, we're just going to do 2 marks on each side of the page. 1/2 inch in. And we also do the top and the bottom of the paper. We're just going to mark 1/2 inch. Once you've done that, you take your ruler, your architect scale, put the pencil down on one of the marks, and you're just going to draw a line. Just like that. And you draw another line down here. Come straight across. We're going to make another line up the side. And like that. And then we'll make a line up here along the top. If all goes well, you have your 1/2 inch border. Just like that. So you can go back, erase all these, because you want to have the border nice and neat, squared up, and you don't want any of these pencil lines crossing each other. So we're just going to do this. Pretty easy, straightforward, right? There's your 1/2 inch border. Now once we have the 1/2 inch border done, we have to make the actual title block. So we know the title block is 1 inch high and 9.5 inches wide. So what I would do is use the 1 inch scale, and you just have to go across and find 9. There's 10, so there's half. 9.5 inches right there. So you put the 1/2 inch mark down here in the corner of your title block and mark the 0. Okay. Then you're going to mark 1 inch up the side, which is all these divisions right here. And we can mark it here again. Okay. So we're going to come across. Get everything lined up nice and neat. And you're just going to go right across. And here you're going to go straight up. So there you go. So there we have the beginning of the title block. Now this looks bigger on this here copy because we've used a marker to show it. So it's a lot wider. But when you see it in pencil, the title block doesn't quite go to the end. So let's fill this in. We know these are inch and a half each window. So we have 3 of them, so we know we're at 4.5 inches. So what we'll do, again, we can use our 1-inch scale on here. If I can just find it, there it is. And we'll go to 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. There's half. So we're just going to make a mark down here at 4.5. Put the 4.5 in the corner here. Mark it at the 0. Oops. There you go. And run a line straight up. That'll give us this box here. So now we have to put a line across halfway, which is 1/2 inch. So let's use the 1-inch scale again. And we're just going to go right there. That's halfway. So if we make a mark, put the 1-inch scale down like that, and just make a mark right there. I'm going to run that straight across the page. So now we've separated the upper and lower. Now, if we take these here, are 1.5 inches off the side. So there is 1.5 inches. Oops. And there's 1.5 inches. So we run this straight up. Like that. Okay, so these should all be 1/2 inch. Looks like I'm out a little bit on the top one here. I'll just by a fraction. Okay, let's fix this up. So if you do make mistakes, you have to use a pencil, do everything nice and light, and they're easy to fix up. So just a little bit. So 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, just a bit higher. So let's run this across and see if it looks a little bit better for us. All right. Okay, so once we get that done, we're going to do the next 2 boxes, which are 2.5 inches. So there's 2.5. All we have to do is mark the 0. Go straight up. And with that, we have all the windows complete. So the next step in all of this is just simply filling in all the required information. The first box, we know we have to write Sheridan. So you would simply write in Sheridan, nice and neat, best that you can. Again, always using capital letters. Then you're going to write title up here. You're going to write the scale here. The date. Drawn by. Checked by. Job number. And drawing number. So you try and do it as neat as you can, capital letters on everything. So for a lot of the information in this box, you're going to need the information from me to put the information in the title block. So we could call the first title, we could call it B1 drawing. And I would give you this information. The scale would be 1/4 inch equals 1 foot 0 inches. You could put down the date as May 30th, 2020. Drawn by, oh, I don't know, let's say Fred. Drawn by Fred. Checked by Ken. Drawing number could be, or the job number could be, oh, I don't know, let's say 007, and it's drawing number 1. That's all you have to do. So when it comes to doing title blocks, it's some basic information. This is what we're looking for at Sheridan in the plumbing department. And then what you would do, you would put your drawing in the middle of the piece of paper. So if it's a B1 or whether it's an isometric or whatever it is you're given, that's all you have to do is just put the drawing in there and you're done. Okay, thanks a lot. Hope that helps.